Oh, I gotta follow her. Oh my God, he's huge. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's freaking huge. Oh, he's really large. Oh, don't go over to the stump. Oh, he's gonna go over the stump. Hello there. Kobe and I are out on a lake fishing for these prehistoric giant tiger muskies. And we're gonna go over a little bit on the gear that you need to have when you're fishing for these muskies. Now, Kobe's got a 7 weight and he's got some intermediate line, but he's using a really large articulated fly. These flies for muskie need to be big. The one that I'm using is nearly six inches long. He's got a game changer, probably measures about 4 inches long. We've had a couple of follows so far, so it's looking up. We're both using bite leaders. So you have about a 7-foot leader, but about the last 8 to 10 inches is stainless steel bite leaders, because these things are toothy and you're gonna need a bite leader. Otherwise, you're just gonna be breaking them off all day long. Oh, you're gonna need a big net as well. Now, maybe not this big.
This is overkill.
Totally. Big net for some of these giant fish. Kobe last year caught one that was so freaking gigantic, it just tore up the net. Oh, you got one. Oh my God, that's huge. Oh my God, try to get him on the reel, but super careful. Keep it super tight line. Keep it together here. Gotta keep it together. All right, slower's faster. Oh, this thing is a monster, dude. I'm serious, this thing is huge. Look at this thing. Oh my God, I don't know how I'm gonna fit that in the net. That is massive. Dude, that is huge. Keep him on. Look at the rod bend. Oh my God. Just playing. It'll be right. Kobe, I have no idea how I'm gonna get this behemoth in this net. Holy shit. Oh my God. I can't keep him in the net. Oh, holy shit. Dude, look at the size of this thing. Holy crap. Look at the size of this fish. Dude. Oh my God. That's the way to break you in on the first muskie. Yeah, he's not happy. So.
Oh, he's busting through the net.
He's breaking through the net.
He's busted through the net.
Maybe, should we bring him in the boat?
I think he's actually unhooked already. Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh my, look at the size of that fish. Hold him right at and point him at me face first. Yeah. All right.
Let him go.
Yeah. So Kobe and I are using 7.5-foot leaders, 20-pound, with a stainless steel bite leader. These things are toothy, and you need something that's going to be able to withstand some of the giant razor sharp teeth that these tiger muskie have. So let's go see if we can catch a tiger muskie. All right, let's do this. Fish on. Oh, there we go. Oh, he just came up and hammered it. Oh man. Did you see it happen? How fast he came and just smashed it? Nice. He's definitely not going anywhere.
This is overkill.
Totally.
Do you want to put it in this? Or
no, I think it's okay, yeah. Yeah. If we catch a 30-pounder, then maybe. This guy, yeah. Oh. Fish on. Got him right in the snoot. Oh yeah, fish on. Nice. I have to tell you, this particular fly has caught me a lot of tiger muskie, and a lot of times I'll exclusively use it, and just for the reason why, what just happened moments ago. But if you want to check out, I think this guy still ties, but I'll do a little B-roll here so you can see how to contact this guy. It's HaggertyLures.com, but he's this giant, humongo, purple and black fly. He's always done really well for me with tiger muskie. All right, let's talk stripping patterns for these gigantor fish. I found two things that seemingly work well for me. They're about an 8 to 12 inch pull, and I'll pull it a few times and I'll stop and let the fly sink. Pull it a few times, stop. Sometimes it's faster though. One of the small ones that I caught did charge after it, and I was doing a pretty fast, consistent strip. But that monster that I caught, I saw the follow, then I stopped the fly, let it sink a little bit, did one little pull, and that's when he just chomped on it. Oh, I got a follower.
Oh my God, he's huge. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's freaking huge. Oh no. Oh, don't go over the stump. Oh, he's gonna go over the stump. Oh, he's really large. Oh. Oh, see that stump down there? I just want him to stay away from that. Oh. Oh my God, Kobe, he's really, really large. Oh. It's another one checking him out. Oh, oh, oh. 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 I mean, look at the bend on this rod. God. Oh my goodness. I gotta crank this drag down. Oh my God. It's towing the boat. Oh my God. Are you ready? Oh, he's large. I think he's gonna come over here. He's very, very large. He's very, very large. Oh my God, it's like a giant tarpon. Are you ready? All right, I'm gonna try to bring him over to you. Oh, yes. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Holy crap.
Sweet, dude.
Oh my God. This one big fish. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh my God, he's got some teeth. Let's see here. All right, reassess here. Yeah, I need some pliers. Yep, definitely gonna need some pliers. Okay.
You gotta get him under the neck.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Look at that monster! Oh my God! Are these? Oh.